This is a sacred fig tree, in Sinhala, Bo tree. The waterfall we will visit today has the shape of its leaf and was therefore called BOPATH ELLA. We will go to the base of the waterfall, discover endemic animal species, hear about some legends, and hike to the top of BOPATH ELLA. Between Avisavela and Ratnapura, we stopped to have a herbal drink.
So what is it called? In Sinhala we call it Alakanda. How is the taste? Good, right?
Has garlic in it.
Yeah.
Like big pieces. We are now leaving the main road towards tea estates. We are passing the car park and going directly to the gate. The gate opens to a beautiful park, which is usually full of people in normal times. We are in BOPATH ELLA. This is about 2 hours from Colombo. We just walked this morning, early morning, so that there's nobody on the site. So this is the place where the ancient rulers used to come and bathe while they were visiting the Sumana Saman temple. The god Saman seemed to have appeared here as well. You can take a bamboo raft if you like to reach the left bank. There are many legends related to this waterfall. It is said that the waterfall hides a treasure trove, but it will require the sacrifice of 1,000 human lives to get it. Another legend says that the pilgrim came from Colombo and met a village girl. Despite his promise, he never came back. Pregnant and heartbroken, she went up to the waterfall and committed suicide. Now she haunts the waterfall in the form of a blue light. Now we are reaching the right bank. You can follow the trail to reach the base of the waterfall. They are along there. And now it's beautiful. Right? Shape of a leaf. The water flow is 6 cubic meters per second. That's a lot of water coming, especially today. You can see there's a lot of wind today, and especially in this part where the waterfall is the biggest, the largest. Lots of wind and mist. The current is quite strong here. It's wiser to swim further down the stream. Now we'll go back the same way as we came. An opportunity to meet interesting animals.
It's called Autocryptus swaimani.
What's the name?
It is the scientific name Autocryptus swaimani.
Scientific name, the Latin name.
It's endemic to Sri Lanka. It's male one.
Male. How does it recognize from the male one?
This sack,
Right.
this
Ah,
sack
this
is
thing.
belongs to male one.
Male one.
Female one doesn't have that. That is the female one.
Female.
It's the same color as the tree.
This is cow's phoenix. Weather Colombo.
So the top this way?
Yeah.
Behind the hut starts the trail to the top. Wow. It's a little bit tough. Slope is steep, but it's gonna be worth it. Let's go to the top. What is he doing?
Yeah. Biology.
For what?
Biology.
Ah. What is it? Ah, that's guava.
Yeah. Thank you. I'll get you at the top there.
Good energy, guava. Ah. Let's go. Now we are at the top of BOPATH ELLA. Super nice. I think this is very tempting to go swimming. Refreshing. I was so hot. If I swim here, the current will take me. So better to stay and go back. Yeah. And then this is the top there. From the top of BOPATH ELLA, we say goodbye and follow us on our next video and subscribe to our channel. Waterfall Hunters! Glitches? Thank you very much.